Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Name-Anubhab Mandal, and I am from section 1, and my roll number is 20MT10012. And for the DIY project for week 5, I am going to do a disassembly reassembly project on an appliance from my home, and the appliance that I have chosen today is a body massager. And this body massager, it works on electricity. I have to plug in this into my socket. So let's start it, and let's see how does it work. So let me first connect it to the AC source, that is from the socket. Yeah, so now that I have connected it, let me show the working of this. So the switch here at this moment is at point 0, so I can increase the speed to 1 and 2. It has two different speeds. So let me start it, and it would start vibrating as soon as I press the switch on. Okay, wait a second, let me. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. It works like this, and it has another speed. This is the second level of speed. So I mean the frequency. So we can attach different types of equipments to it to massage different parts of the body. So there are various types of I mean attaches along with it. So when I attach this, it works like this. It vibrates here, and you can massage it on any part of the body you want. So that is it. Now I'm going to disassemble it. So let's start. Okay, so I have opened the 3 screws here, and now I'm going to remove this plastic covering on it. And okay, so I have removed it here, and as you can see the interior of the body massager, as you can see, this is the wire that comes directly from the socket. It contains a live wire and a neutral wire that comes here. Let me first switch it off because it's high voltage AC, so I don't want to get a electric shock here now. Okay, so I've opened it. So as you can see, here is a live wire and a neutral wire here, which are coming through this, and then there is the switch here, and through the controller here the two wires are connected, and then they go into this part is actually, this is a total setup of an electromagnetic vibrator, and I'm going to explain how does this work. So what happens is, when the switch is pushed on here, the switch when it is pushed on like this, I mean it generates electricity, and that electricity passes down into this brass part, and this brass part, due to that electric current, it and just vibrates, and it joins here. Repeatedly it starts hitting here, and as soon as it hits here, and due to a magnetic field gets created, and due to that magnetic field, this electromagnetic vibrator starts vibrating, and as soon as it starts vibrating, it again pushes it off, and the circuit breaks, and then again, due to the current coming through it, it again vibrates, and it again touches back on this, and the circuit gets completed, and again it vibrates once again. So this process gets repeated many times in a second, and as we increase the frequency of its hitting and the frequency of vibrating also increases, and thus this produces that vibrating effect, due to which the body massager works, and it when it is rubbed on the body. So that is the working mechanism of the this body massager. And as you can see, for the electromagnetic vibrator here, I mean okay, so as you can see, there are different laminated parts. Okay, there are small laminated steel plates here that are stacked one over the other. Okay, and then there is this vibrator part, and the live wires and the neutral wire are coming. Neutral wire is coming here, and the live wire is going into the electromagnetic vibrator part, and it is feeding it with electricity. All right, for its working. And this is the part that is coming out, and this is the part that vibrates along with this brass plate, and which is finally applied on the body. It is made up of plastic and has different attaches to it to massage different parts of the body. And this is the switch and the controller here, which are used to control the vibrator to run it at different speeds, or to stop it as well. So this is that switch which controls the movement of the vibrator, and that is it. Now I'm going to close it again, and let's see if it works after reassembling the parts. Okay, so I'm going to put in the screws now. Then we are again going to plug in the vibrator to the this body massager to the socket, and check whether it works fine or not. All right, so okay, so all right, so I have again attached it carefully, and let's see whether it works this time or not. I'm again going to plug this into the socket and switch it on. Let's see whether it works or not. And yes, it works again. It works just as fine as it was working before. So it works just as fine as it was working before, and there is no issues with it. So there I have completed my project for the week 5. So hope you liked this one, and if you liked it, give it a like, or and subscribe to my channel. So that's it. Thank you very much.